Komatsuna might not be as famous as spinach or kale, but this Japanese super green packs a powerful punch. From boosting your health to revolutionizing sustainable farming, its benefits go far beyond the kitchen. Komatsuna, also known as Japanese mustard spinach, is a versatile leafy green packed with nutrients and a variety of culinary and health benefits. This leafy vegetable thrives in both warm and cold climates, making it a staple in many Asian countries, particularly Japan, China, and Taiwan. Its mild, slightly peppery taste makes it a perfect addition to soups, stir-fries, and salads, but its uses go far beyond just cooking. Farmers appreciate its fast-growing nature, as it matures quickly and can be harvested multiple times in a single growing season. Because of this, Komatsuna has become a valuable crop for sustainable farming and home gardening, ensuring a steady supply of nutritious greens throughout the year. Its high resistance to pests and diseases also makes it an excellent choice for organic farming, reducing the need for pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Komatsuna is highly valued for its impressive nutritional profile, as it is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium. These nutrients contribute to various health benefits, particularly in strengthening bones and boosting the immune system. The high vitamin K content is essential for proper blood clotting and bone density, making it an excellent food for those looking to prevent osteoporosis and maintain strong skeletal health. Its rich antioxidant content helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. The combination of vitamins and minerals in Komatsuna also plays a crucial role in improving eye health, skin health, and overall well-being. Regular consumption can help lower blood pressure and promote heart health due to its potassium content, which regulates sodium levels and supports cardiovascular function. In traditional Japanese and Chinese medicine, Komatsuna has long been used for its medicinal properties, particularly in promoting digestion and detoxification. Its fiber-rich leaves aid in digestion by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. The presence of glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds found in cruciferous vegetables, is believed to have cancer-fighting properties and support liver detoxification. Komatsuna is often included in healing soups and teas to alleviate symptoms of colds and boost the immune system. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for people suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. In ancient remedies, Komatsuna was sometimes used topically in poultices to soothe skin irritations, showcasing its diverse applications beyond dietary use. With growing interest in natural remedies and functional foods, this vegetable is being explored for its potential role in preventive medicine. Beyond nutrition and health benefits, Komatsuna has become increasingly popular in modern culinary trends. Chefs around the world have started incorporating it into innovative dishes, from smoothies and juices to fusion cuisine that blends Japanese and Western flavors. Its tender leaves and stems make it an excellent alternative to spinach, kale, and other leafy greens, providing a fresh twist to classic recipes. Komatsuna's ability to absorb flavors well makes it a favorite in stir-fried dishes with garlic, soy sauce, and sesame oil. In Western cuisine, it has been used in pasta dishes, grain bowls, and even as a substitute for lettuce in sandwiches and wraps. The growing demand for nutrient-dense superfoods has led to an increase in its availability outside of Asia, making it more accessible to health-conscious consumers worldwide. As plant-based diets gain popularity, Komatsuna serves as a nutritious and sustainable food option for vegetarians and vegans. The agricultural significance of Komatsuna extends to soil improvement and ecological benefits. Since it grows rapidly and can be cultivated year-round, it plays a role in crop rotation systems, preventing soil depletion and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Its deep-rooted structure helps improve soil aeration and water retention, making it a valuable plant for regenerative agriculture. Komatsuna's ability to thrive in various conditions makes it a reliable crop for urban farming and vertical gardens, where space and resources are limited. As climate change continues to impact global food production, resilient crops like Komatsuna provide a sustainable solution for maintaining food security. With its numerous benefits in health, cuisine, and agriculture, Komatsuna proves to be more than just a leafy green. It is a powerhouse of nutrition and sustainability that continues to gain recognition worldwide. Whether you're looking for a nutrient-rich addition to your diet, a natural remedy, or a sustainable crop, Komatsuna has something to offer. As more people discover its incredible uses, could this humble leafy green become the next global superfood?